Indonesians have dug up a large area to bury victims of the strong earthquake and tsunami last Friday in Sulawesi. More than 800 people are confirmed dead. Over 48,000 others have been displaced. A suicide attacker drove a car into European Union vehicles in Somalia's capital on Monday. At least 2 people were killed. The Islamic group Al-Shabaab claimed responsibility. And American James Allison and Japan's Tasuku Honjo have won the 2018 Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine for their discoveries for treating cancer.